Well, guys, JDCap26 here, just your tips, repairs, and hobbies. And to find a model, you go to online models in Bambu Studio, and you go in here and put the prompt in there. I'm going to type in Goofy. Let's see if we can find Goofy now. There he is right here. Click on him, okay? And you want to find your printer, okay? So my printer is the Carbon, X1 Carbon, which is right here. You click on that, okay? And then you download to open. So you download, click on that, okay? And it's downloading now, guys. So you got to be patient, okay? It's loading the Goofy files, but it's loading in P1S. It'll do that, okay? And what you want to do when this completes is see how over here it's P1S. Click on this and do the drop down and switch it over to X1 Carbon. Click on that. Now it's X1 Carbon. So then you want to click on one of these, the first plate, okay, and you want to highlight it, and then you want to slice it up here. You slice it up there. You see how it's got it all lined up here? That's all sliced. It doesn't need any supports, okay? Most of these won't need supports, and if they do, they're going to be on a global there. If they do, you'll check over here and see if support's enabled, which it is already automatically, okay? So then you go here and you hit print. Okay, now since my printer's not on, it's not synchronizing the information to my printer. Okay, but I just want to show you how you get from to find your model into Bambu Studio, slicing the model, and sending it to your printer by the iCloud. Okay, what's called really Bambu Cloud. All right. This printer and it's turned on. Okay, and that's where you're going to start printing your prints from Bambu Studio. It'll do it automatically. You got to make sure that your plate is clean and oil-free, and your reels up there, filament, will be synchronizing, and it'll go there and start your first print. So let's look at the model next. It's Goofy, okay? And each print, like the hat we just did, that's the first print we did, okay? Each print represents a plate, okay? So each part will be on a plate. So you probably have about 6 plates you have to print out. He came out pretty good. Sometimes you have to paint your model if you don't have the right filament, and that's what I do. And it's really a fun hobby to do. I really enjoy it. I hope you share my videos, give the thumbs up, and hype the video. And we'll see you in the next one. God bless you and bye for now.